Now, our extreme soundproof walls, there's two options that I came up with that I think would work great for your extremely soundproof studio. The first one would be creating a concrete block structure. So your studio, we actually built one of these in Nashville. You can see here there's concrete blocks on the outside, but what they didn't do, which I think would be even more extreme and fun, would be to have concrete blocks on the inside as well. The other thing is you want to add sand into the concrete blocks. What this will do is it will help with damping, and it will add mass to your structure. So actually, aside from pouring concrete or any sort of extra mass inside the blocks, sand will actually work best because of that damping property. So that will give you a very soundproof wall. The next thing we can do with those double concrete walls is increase the airspace between them, and you have to add some insulation in there as well for it to work properly. But the airspace is the second thing that we can really tackle with increasing soundproof, our extreme soundproofing. So the minimum usually recommended is 1 inch. And the reason for that is because most people don't want to give up their valuable space in their room just to increase sound isolation. But if you're extreme, you want to do this. You want to try to get as much of an airspace as you can between your outside wall and your inside wall to get the maximum isolation. So this, you can go anywhere from 1 inch to 10 feet if you want. The only thing holding you back is always going to be your budget and your space. So keep that in mind as you're designing your extremely soundproof studio. The second wall design is one that's more common. This is going to be a wood-framed wall using gypsum board or drywall. And with soundproofing, we always use 5/8 inch drywall. The reason is that it's the thickest drywall available commercially in most areas, so it's going to have you guessed it, the most mass, and mass is what we want.